Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install iOS 16.1 beta 5. So guys, if you're trying to download iOS 16.1 beta 5 on your iPhone but it's not showing in the iPhone, and I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem and how you can download the beta version. So guys, if you're trying to download the beta from Apple website but it's not showing on your iPhone, the beta profile is installing but it's still not showing the iOS 16 point beta 5 version, then I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem, how you can get the iOS 16.1 beta on your iPhone or iPad. So let's get start the video without wasting any time. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So let's get start the video. So first of all, what you're gonna do, go to your setting. First of all, click on date and time and set it to automatically. After this, just close the setting. Now go to your Safari browser and search here for beta profiles. So as you can see, here is the website on the top, so you need to go to this website. Once the website is open, just scroll down, and as you can see, here is the iOS 16.1 beta 5. Simply click on install profile, then click on install, click on allow, close. Now go to the setting. On the top you will get this option profile downloaded. Click on it, click on install, enter your iPhone passcode, then click on done, click on install, then simply click on not now. So once the profile is downloaded, just close the setting, close everything. Now go to your iPhone setting, click on general, then simply click on software update. So as you can see, here is iOS 16.1 developer beta 5. So this is how you can download and install. So if you want to download and install, then simply click on download and install, and it will start downloading the software. So this is how you can get this new version if it's not showing from the Apple website. So hope you guys like this video. If you do, leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.